We'll now look at cluster overlaps. I have two clusters on this grid. Now these are just currently selection sets because I have no applied materials or operators on them. If I were to select middle here and apply a material, say just a Lambert, there we go. You notice I'm in hidden line mode, which shows up the clusters very nicely. If I were to select my cross now, you notice there's an overlap here in the middle. So if I were to select my material and go something like Phong, I have potentially a conflict, particularly where there is materials concerned. So a dialog box is popping up saying that basically I have a overlap. The first option is yes, remove the overlap from the selected object cluster. Well, let's see what this does. There we go. What it did was remained the original cluster and removed that overlap from the new cluster that I created. If I were to go back here, do it again, no, remove the overlap from the other clusters. Therefore, the other cluster is now defined just as these parts, and so I've removed it from the original cluster I had. One more time, and this time cancel, let the overlap happen. It means I now have two clusters with two materials on it. Because the purple cluster was created last, that is the one which will show up in my rendering.